Ito na may kay manamig basa. Algebra man ako basa. Manamig. Ito ko na sa inyo. Yung no F ko dito. Rules guys. Rules. Not allowed guys sleeping. Hindi pwede magtuon. Pwede magkaon. Dapat magtuon. Pwede mo parehas po. Maghilom ta guys. Observe. Hilom og.
Hi guys, this is Sarah Bachanella.
This is Machiavelli,
and we're here to guide you in our school, ACLC College of Mandawi. Tara, let's go!
Hello guys, mga na first struggle diri guys. Ang guard. No uniform, no entry.
Okay guys, mo din ang guard diri sa ACLC. Okay, kamusta mga ACLC diri guard?
Okay na kayo. Kamusta mga gentry?
Padlungan na niya, padlungan. Ano sa mga rules diri na dapat
Implement dili. Hindi complete uniform. May ID yun.
Hello guys! Nandito may sulod diri sa building sa ACLC College of Mandawi. This is Andrew Mateo, an SSC student from ACLC College of Mandawi. And Andrew, what can you say about the system of ACLC?
What I can say about the system in ACLC College of Mandawi is that it's very good because they have this blended learning system, which means that the whole grade is divided by two, which is the face-to-face and the online portion, which means also that if you're not that skilled in face-to-face, to have a chance in online system, and it is a vice versa.
Okay, thank you Andrew.
Thank you also.
Hello guys, nade mi diri support and ang ACLC na provide of sports sa mga students like basketball and volleyball and many more para ma-improve ilang mga skills. And parehas ako diri sa Kuloyo na duwa basket diri.
Guys, ito mo sa mga room nga
Ano may second building para sa mga classroom na mo. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi guys! Nana na diri sulod sa classroom. And kita mo na arrange kayo ang mga chairs diri sa ACLC. And mo na ang mga chair na unique kay ba? Oo. Anaw na rin siya paggamit na. Ano yan? Ano na mo? Yari din ka magsuwat. Ano
Very unique guys.
Mga chairs niya. As you can see, namin duwa ka aircons diri. Fully air conditioned aircon. Ugnaw ka niya siya. Classic. Sabi.
Grabe yun.
Ang mana ni, i-tour mo sa among computer lab. Tara, let's go!
Namin diri sa computer lab. So, excited? Sa mga lusot sila.
Mari din mag-practice sa among programming and mari din mag-practice sa among coding skills sa programming like Java, Oracle, and ang mga computer diri kay mga kompleto like ang system kay Windows 10 and mga apps kay kompleto para sa students.
So, guys, ang mga estudyante na guys, nag-encode na practice. Quality guys. So, mag-CR.
Tara, you can make
Oh.
6.5 hours later.
Naguwat tayo kung map dire ang CR na perting magaya. Uy, gaya ni mo bro eh. Asa ba sunod bro?
Library na?
Tara?
Library.
Okay,
Guys,
sa library. Sa library. Okay guys, nanamig dito sa library. Pinanda magsama-sama kay kasamaan kanila. Naman dito sa library with Ma'am ni Rose. So, magsusunod guys. So, tara, i-tour mo dito sa library.
So guys, magbasa na ko algebra because I love math. life.
Tara guys, ngadto na may kay manamig basa algebra manamig basa manamig basa. Tugnaw sa mga tugnaw sa quadratic.
Rules guys, rules.
Rules guys.
Not allowed guys sleeping.
Mo sa library. Di pwede magto, di pwede magkaon. Dapat magtuon lagi mo pareha na ko.
Maghilom ta guys. Observe. Hilom og. Guys,
Asa ta sunod bro?
auditorium ta?
Auditorium? Tara na.
Manami sa library guys. Auditorium ni.
Hi guys, Lana Demi diri sa auditorium sa LCLC College, and purpose diri sa auditorium like mga seminars, mga parents and mga activities like, and also mga announcements sa principal and anak.
Guys, nasa may event din sa auditorium, sayaw, mga crazy, kanta, uban pa guys, daghang ganun guys, mga kalingawan din sa auditorium yung tabo guys.
As you can see, dako gani lugar diri sa auditorium. And dako gani space para magamit sa mga activities diri.
Are mga dance practice, and
Okay, you will love it here.
you will love it here.
And also, kilid diri sa auditorium, diri na to makita ang HRM lab. And diri ang mahitabo ang mga cooking na
Mga luto guys.
luto mga. As you can see, dagan kay mga students sa practice group and competition.
Hello
Okay guys, padong meron sa second floor mga classroom ito.
Oh.
And sa yung makita dire, mostly dire sa office floor kay computer labs ni dire. Ari ang mga computer labs sa mga college students.
Pero namin sa second floor guys.
Ano yung
mga
second floor?
Classroom is mga college guys.
Guys, as you can see, may naklase din ka. Nagtinarong eskwela. Pareha nga ako, nagtinarong eskwela. Maayo.
Bad feeling
Kaya
about
lisod
this.
kayo kay magtarong klase skilla guys. Awal guys.
Para sa kinabukasan. Buhay ballpen.
Patay. Mo rin mga
May kinabukasan.
classroom guys, classroom sa mga college, senior high.
Technical room and nagang galing classrooms dire.
College room.
Mostly dire yung mga classrooms. Doon may sa faculty from
Faculty room.
interview ng mga teachers.
Yo guys, namin sa gawa sa faculty.
Doon namin nasod sa faculty room. And mga din yung faculty room sa si College of Mandawi. And
Nadri ang mga maestro at maesteram guys. So you can see guys.
sabi sila magtamay yung wala yung mga klase. Mga chika-chika sila or may buhaton.
So that.
Tara, go.
Hello sir, good afternoon, and we have an interview for you. And so, kamusta ang SCLC sir?
So far ACLC is good, so I am enjoying my teaching career here in ACLC.
So, unsa may mga advantages sa SCLC sir?
Advantages. So advantage, the students are equipped with technology. That's the best that the ACLC could contribute to the learnings of the students. And of course, for the schedule of classes as well.
Yes, sir, what can you say about the students who want to enroll in ACLC sir?
All I can say is you have to enjoy your stay here in ACLC. Once you love the school, then you love your stay here in ACLC.
Pila na ka years diri sa ACLC?
Actually, this is my first year of teaching here in ACLC.
Okay, sir. First nimo pag-ari, sir, unsay feeling nimo?
The first time I stepped in ACLC, I feel at home since I have lots of friends, especially my co-teachers. They treat me as a member of the family.
Okay, as a teacher, how did ACLC change your life?
For my professional growth, ACLC taught me to become more initiative, to collaborate with my co-workers, especially to be in line to technology, because I am not used to work with technology, and ACLC challenged me to be more, expert with technology.
Okay, sir, and about the system of ACLC, are you good about the process of ACLC?
Yeah, it's something like a challenge if we're going to talk about the system, but definitely at the end of the day, the school wants to help our learners to become more productive and to become more better individuals.
Okay, did ACLC help you a lot in your life, sir?
Yes, of course. ACLC helped me.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So guys, marami sa Montero. So,
Kikikong na kayo eh.
ano na?
Malit sa mix natin kung i-review sa Dominican team sa ACLC. Kasi medyo butong na. And narinig may magpa-xerox o magpa-photocopy.
Mga makaon rin guys.
Malit sa makaon guys. Ano yung maliton? Pangano ni Mac?
Kasaba kay.
Sige, pangano ni Mac?
Kasaba kay.
Malit sa banana cake guys. Santa sa titrate. Nagbilang ka nila eh.
7 daw guys.
Tira guys, barato na
Barato
tayo.
na guys. Afford na kayo na.
Kaon na ako sa rapas room ginani. Bye. Kaon sa mga.
Yummy!
Asa smoke? Smoke? Janelle? Uy, nada na. Tara, mato na sa principal's office.
Hey guys, musod na may diri sa Student Affairs Office para mag-interview.
Tara, let's go. Hello sir, good afternoon. We have an interview for you sir for our lab.
And this is Sir Banyasha, a student coordinator here in ACLC College of Manila.
Yes. Question. Okay, what is the purpose of your interview? This is for what purpose?
This is for our project and to let other people know about ACLC.
Okay, promotion. Promote ACLC.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So what's your question?
Okay, my first question is, what is the purpose of student coordinator?
Okay, function. You need function of student affairs coordinator. Okay, well, as a student affairs coordinator, my main task is to know all the activities of the students from K-11 to K-12, even in college. So therefore, the school know what are the activities inside and outside of ACLC College of Manila.
Sir, may I know what are your mission and visions?
Mission and vision as a SAL, Students Affairs Coordinator. Actually, my mission is let the student know, let the student give information to other students, especially outside, that ACLC catering different subjects, different activities, and not only for that, ACLC encourage students because we have lots of activities here that you cannot see outside the ECLC or other schools or universities or colleges.
Okay, sir. Next question. As a student coordinator, what are your challenges here in ACLC?
Well, I have lots of challenges as student support coordinator. First, I met different and lots of problems, especially with dealing with the absences of the students, dealing with the problems, especially in their subjects, failing grades. Of course, the students getting late coming from the school, of course, the grades were affected. And even sometimes I met problems, especially students who are not go to school because they have personal problems.
Okay, sir. Next question. How can you handle students with problems here in school?
Well, as a student support coordinator, I should think that I will give the best that I can, especially the services that offer of the school, especially the South Office. I assure that I will give a good advice for their problems and even solutions, because that is the main goal and role of the student support coordinator, to give solutions to their problems.
Thank you, sir. And the last question, what can you say about the students who wants to enroll here in ACLC?
Well, ACLC is the first Asian computer education that offers different courses in IT. And aside from that, ACLC caters different avenue, so that whenever they graduate from ACLC, not only in Mandaue, but in our whole Philippines, so they can get well and good job in the future.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, so thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hello guys,
I'm Sarah Bachanera,
Mac Event Filosada.
and we're already done during your year in ACLC College in Mandaue. And always remember,
You will love it here.